Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in January's Smart Art box. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff in here, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, so like always we are going to open up our box to the Smart Art brochure. Open it up and you will see some history of the materials in this box, as well as a total list of the stuff you're going to find in here. Flip to the next page and you will get yourself your quick start guide to help you get the starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you will see your skill challenge guide to give you a little extra challenge using these products this month. And then flip to the back and you will see some pointers on how to get the best results using these products, as well as your weekly challenge prompts. Alright, so the first thing out of this box is the Royal and LANGNICKEL watercolor pencil set. This set includes a set of watercolor pencils, watercolor sketch pencil, a brush, and a kneadable eraser, all in a portable tin case. These pencils will work great to help get the foundations down for your drawing, as well as just making some absolutely beautiful art this month. Next out of this box we have the Art Alternative Dual Tip Marker. This water-based dual tip marker features both a 2mm bullet nib and a nylon brush for all your outlining and shading needs. This pen works great with all types of papers and will be a great addition to making our work this month. Next we have the Crafter's Choice 4-piece brush set. These amazing no-slip grip brushes are perfect for many applications. With this set ranging from a small detailed brush to a wide fan brush, you will have everything that you need to make some awesome art using these this month. Next item out of this box is the CRESCENT Watercolor Board 3-pack. These rigid pre-mounted boards feature a high-quality cold-pressed lightly textured surface that is absolutely amazing for watercolors. The surface works great with both wet-on-wet and dry brushing techniques. These will be perfect for making some beautiful art this month. And the last thing out of this box is the ANGORA Watercolor 24 set. These German-made non-toxic watercolors feature a beautiful set of colors that are both transparent and semi-transparent. This set is great for travel with its closable lid and also acts as a palette for your colors. I can't wait to try out these paints. But that's everything in this box except of course our wonderful piece of candy and sticker. But let's get all of these products out and start creating some art using these materials. Coming into this piece, I really wanted to make a bird for this painting, and I haven't really drawn or painted an owl in ages. So I decided I would make a close-up of an owl's face. But I did want to take advantage of all the colors that are in this palette. So I decided to go with making a overly colorful version of an owl face. I just approached it with areas that were a bit darker to be in a little bit more of a bluish hue, and the lighter areas of it being more in the yellow and red hue. I really enjoyed this painting and these paints were amazing. I tend to normally work with watercolors that are in tubes, so it was kind of a nice change to go back to using a color palette like this. But I am going to be quiet, I'm going to let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in January's Smart Art box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now remember, don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts that are in your brochure, as well as the weekly challenge videos I do each week trying to tackle them myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and SmartArtProject to get your 500 peacock points. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out these Smart Art bundles, where each box has a very specific set of mediums in them. If you want more information on that, make sure to check out the Smart Art webpage. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!